How are you? How are you? I've been loving you a long time, down on the years, down on the days, and I cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little ways.
We watched our friends grow up together, and we saw them as they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, and some of them fell into hell.
I took shelter from a shower, and I stepped into your arms on a rainy night in Soho. The wind was whistling on its charm,
And I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song? To all those little girls and boys?
now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means, but there's a light I hold before me, and you're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. Sometimes I'd wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not talking of the future, I'm not dreaming of the past, I'm not speaking of the first time. I'll never think about the last. So now the song is nearly over. We may never find out what it means. Still you're the light I hold before me, and you're the measure of my dreams. You're the measure of my dreams. Whoa!